Welcome to Icefield Mathematics Clinic. The last time we were discussing the slope of a straight line. So I'm going to recap the properties of a straight line before we go to case studies. The slope of a straight line is m equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, where x1 is not equals to x2. If x1 is equals to x2, the slope is undefined in the set of real numbers. Now let us recap and remember or remind ourselves the properties of a slope of a straight line. There are three properties. The first is the vertical slope. The vertical slope PQ is parallel to the y-axis. The vertical slope PQ is parallel to the y-axis and perpendicular to the x-axis. Therefore, the slope m is undefined as the element of real numbers. Vertical slope is undefined in a set of real numbers. We're going to talk about real numbers very soon. The horizontal slope m. This slope is parallel to the x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. Therefore, m is equals to 0 and m is stationary if it is a horizontal line. We come to the third one, the diagonal slope. M the slope of a diagonal slope, is greater than 0, which means it's positive, or m is less than 0, which is negative. For m greater than 0, meaning positive, this is what happens. From the left side at Q, running positively to the right, it is increasing. From the left side to the right side, m is increasing. From the left side, P, horizontally increasing to the right, the slope is positive. Notice, positive rise y, positive run x. Positive run x, positive rise y. The slope is increasing from left to right. For m less than 0, meaning negative, from the right side Q to the left side m, the slope is decreasing. Rise y is positive, run x is negative. Rise y is positive, run x is negative. Remember that. Now, I'm going to use these properties to illustrate the meaning of these questions. We need to understand how they shape the slope. Now, I'm going to demonstrate line AB. I'm going to demonstrate line AB. There is line AB. Line AB is A minus 2 and 1. There is x minus 2 rising ones to that point. And then the run is 1, 2. It means the slope is half. Its A coordinate is -1 and y is 2. And B coordinate, it's x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. There they are. Now, we say MAB, starting from here to there, MAB starting from here to B, we say YA minus YB, YA minus YB, all over XA minus XB, or MBA. We say YB minus YA, all over XB, XB minus XA. We start with MAB. 1, which is this point, minus positive 3, there it is, all over -2 minus positive 2. We get 1 minus 3, which is -2, minus 2 minus 4 gives us -4. Then it is minus 1 over minus 2, which is half. It means this is a positive slope. There it is. Or B, we do the same, we get half. Therefore, it is a positive slope. That's a diagonal positive slope up there. That's a diagonal positive slope. There it is. M is increasing. Now, we come to line B. I'm not going to solve all these. I'm going to select different types of slope to demonstrate the critical approach in giving the answers. Your sketches have to be neat. You must articulate your work properly to impress the marker. Let's come to solutions. Here we are. Solution B, I chose line AE. Line AE. There is line AE, line AE. As you can see, the slope is decreasing. The slope is decreasing. There it is, decreasing. So we are going to look at line AE. Line AE tells me that A is minus 2 and 1. There it is. A is minus 2 and 1. E is positive 4 and minus 1. There we are. Therefore, I'm going to use one approach. I'm not going to use both. I chose MAE. In other words, I chose 1 minus all into minus 1, which gives you 1 plus 1, negative, and a negative will give you positive. I chose minus 1 and minus 4. It will give you minus 2 and minus 4. Therefore, you get 2 over -6, which is 1 over -3. Here we are. That is the slope, and it is decreasing from E to A. Rise once, positive, run -1, -2, -3. Rise 1, positive, -1, -2, -3. Drop once, negative, then you say positive 1, 2, 3, negative and a positive, negative. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3. Positive 1, -1, -2, -3. Then we come to line AH, which I call C. There we are. Line AH. From the structure, line AH is horizontal. It means our gradient has to be 0. So MAH equals to YH minus YA minus YH all over XA minus XH. I'm going to use one approach here also. It means 1, negative 1. There it is. 1 minus positive 1. All over 3, all over, I started here rather. 1 minus negative 1, all over negative 2 minus 3. It means now it is 1 minus 1, all over minus 2 minus 3, which is 0 over minus 5. That is MH is equals to 0. It's a horizontal line. There it is. The slope is stationary. The slope is 0. Then we come to line AG. That is a vertical slope. It has to be undefined. Let's look at AG. A is the same coordinates. G is minus 2 and 3. There is negative 2x. There is y3. Then what do we say? We say MGA, that's what I'm going to choose. We get 3 from G minus 1, there we are, all over 2 minus 2. This is 3 minus 1, this is minus 2 plus 1, which is 2 over 0, and is undefined as the element of real numbers. Now, if you can comprehend this, memorize all this, you are perfect when it comes to comprehending the slope. I would like to add something here. I'd like to show you how quick it is to sketch these graphs. Let us look at A. Here is A, line A, there it is. Line AB, we know the slope is half. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Listen to me. You know the slope is half. You can draw the graph very quickly. The slope is half. Your A is here. That is A minus 2 and 1. And you say 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then your B is here, which is 2 and 3. Now, note that this is 3, is Y, and then this is 2, is X. So say 1, 2, 3. That is your 2. It is 1, 2, 3, 0. This is the X-axis. Then you move, you get your 1, you get your 0, you get your minus 1, you get your minus 2, you get your 1, you get your 2, you get your 3. This is how you sketch your graph very quickly. Then this is what you do. You draw the line. This is X-axis. Then you go again. You draw another line. You draw another line. That is Y-axis. Then there is your straight line. This is your straight line. And then the slope is rising 1, 1. It is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Then it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, M is equals to 1 over 2. It means rise Y equals to 1 and run X equals to 2. Therefore, M is equals to 1 over 2. That's how easy it is for case study A. Case study A. Now let's go to case study B and see what do we have there. How do we sketch this graph? Then we know that the slope is 1 over 3. Always, if the slope is negative, make the x value negative all the time. Make the x value negative. This is B. Therefore, we have the coordinates. We have A here. A, which is minus 2 and 1. Then we say 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Therefore, our E is here, which is 4 and negative 1. Then this is negative 1, 0. This is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 1. Then there is our graph. This is how easy it is to sketch if the discipline required and the knowledge required are within your fingertips. I can tell you now, you will never struggle in understanding the graphs. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet next time for grade 8 and 9 or 10. We are going to talk about numbers on a straight line. And numbers on a straight line means a number line. That's where we are going to articulate properly what do we mean by real numbers. Keep well. See you next time.